Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the last puzzle. The last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. In addition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, April the 19th, 2024. And I've already solved 3 puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. And this one, the last one, is a special one. Why? Well, this Jigsaw Sudoku has 10 printed digits. Wow, 10 printed digits. The hard ones has 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. So I expect that this one is a hard one. And this will be number 8395. And before I start, I always count. Well, we have the 10 printed digits counted. So hard one. It's indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars, I need 30 minutes or more. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Boxes, because the single box is always a 1. Here, only one single box. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? See here, dual box there, and here. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be 1, so the 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Here also the 1 and the 2. Do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also the 1 and the 2. Do not know in which order, so let me mark those boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Here the same. Triple box. 1, 2, and 3. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the middle box of the triple box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 4 here, so can it be 4 anymore? This box should be a 5. More triple boxes? No. Then, how about quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, can see any quadra boxes. Well, then, the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. The L shape, only one L. No, we have another one, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's the 1 or a 2. Alright, only 2 of them. Then the following shape, how about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember. Let me draw this. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Okay, 1 or a 2. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. More? No. Well, this one, also rotated. This one has the same number as that box. Rotated. In this case, 1 or a 2. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? Rotated. The T shape, let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Okay. The T shape. Do you have more T shapes in this puzzle? No, only one. Do we have more other shapes that you need to recognize? No. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then, the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Alright? These two boxes can be a 1. Those two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Then, let me see. These two boxes can be a 1. These two boxes can be 3. So the 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area are numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Okay. This box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Well, I cannot place the 5 there. We have a double 5 there. If I place the 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So the 5 supposed to be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 5, because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely 5. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. Then, let me see. This box can be 4, that box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. Then this box cannot be 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2. I think this box should be a 5. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be also 3. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 2. Then I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Okay, I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be 4, can be 5. It's in the same area. Alright. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 and 3. Okay, and now. Let me see. How about? Come on. These two boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then. Well. Let me think. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. Then this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution. Place the 1 there. If I place the 1 there, then this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1. But we have a double 1 there. If I place the 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So not the solution. Place the 1 there. The only place left the 1 should be there. So the 2 and the 5 are left. 2 and 5. Okay. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be a 2 anymore. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. This one is connected with that box. Should be also 2. 1 box left in this area for number 1. These 3 boxes surrounding 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this area should be there. This box can be a... Need to wait here. Then, let me see. This box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. These two boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. Well, I don't think this box should be a 2. Because if I place 2 here, then this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2. But we already have a 2 there. Should be a 5 then. Is connected with that box. Should be a 5. 1 box left in this cross area for number 2. Alright. This box here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. And I've eliminated here the 2. So the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And 4 goes there. Then, let me see. I think. This box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. Then, let me see. I think this box should be 2. Well, it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2, and I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. Of course, it's connected with that box, should be also 1. 1 or 2, we have a 1 now, so this box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also 2. Is also connected with this box, should be a 2. 1 box left in this duo box for number 1. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely 5. And then this box give me 1, that box give me 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Mark those 2 boxes early with the 1. We have a 1 now, so this box give me 1 and more. That box should be a 1. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. 2 and a 3. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5. 4 and 5. This box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 4 and 5. We have a 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 4 because give me 1. Give me 2. Give me 3. Should be a 4. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Not a pair in this L-shaped area. Should be the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be there, 1 goes there. 1 and 4, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 4. It can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. These 3 boxes surround the 3, can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Wow. I thought it was a hard one because it has 10 printed digits. Turns out, not a 4, not a 3, not a 2, not a 1. Turns out it's a 0 stars. Yeah, for 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 30 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. We'll meet again tomorrow. Yes, on Saturday. It's a weekend. Until then, bye-bye for now.